welcome to a new video on Bamboo Homestead. So this week I'm going to show you what we did while it was flooding. To be honest, it wasn't as bad as last year. Last year we had it heaps worse. It was like this high water at the end of our property, whereas now it just our creeks were flowing really a lot and our little bridge at the end of our property was underwater, but otherwise no fruit trees were like in danger or anything like that. But a storm is right now rolling in as far as I can see, and apparently we're gonna get another 50 mils today. I can hear the thunder. So yeah, everything is already soggy, so we see what the day brings, but I don't think it should be too bad. Hopefully. Now our house is pretty high up. It would be a really crazy flood if our house would go under, which I don't think so. It's really high up. Yeah, otherwise at the end of this video I'm going to show you, I took some beans out of the dry skin for next year to plant, and we saw a snake while doing that. And it actually attacked me a little bit. It came down, I didn't see it, and I was weeding on the floor, and then it came down. I was like, Jesus. But it was a python, so they usually don't want to attack you, just sort of let me know, hey, I'm here, I'm waiting for rats or whatever, leave me alone. It wouldn't want to bite me because Max explained me they have like so they eat mice, for example, and eat them, and then they push it in, so I would be too big to actually push into his throat. And then it would get stuck, like if you want to bite me here or something, it would get stuck. It couldn't just unbite its teeth. So they don't want to bite you, pythons. They want to eat you if you're small enough, but obviously I'm not small enough. And yeah, so I just wanted to let me know with hissing. That's my new word that I learned. Snake does hissing. So yeah, it just let me know twice, and I was like, whoa, whoa, it was like I was bending down and coming up, and the snake was like, shh, okay, chill, huh? Chill. I just wanted to weed and get my passion fruit that fell on the floor. Anyway, have fun. Come here. So this is our creek. Usually it's actually dry, but if it rains this hard for many days straight, we have an extra river going into the river.
Kind of have bridges there as well. open up to the corner, it could have lots.
This is normally not a river, it's normally dry. This, in dry season, it's also dry. Oh, lange Schlange. This is a snake bean, and we're going to take all the snake beans out because they've finally dried. We've got a few purple beans and I think a few runner beans. Dat is het.
Nee, dat is het.
Nog met je? Ja. We just wanted to go and get a passion fruit and it fell down, so I went to go and grab it, but I couldn't find it and made a bit of noise of weeding, and then it just came at me. Oh Kai, komm gar nicht so weg, das ist sie genau dort unten. Komm zu mir. Kannst du sie anschauen? Komm zu mir. Bitte, komm zu mir.
Ja. Ganz genau, Mami. Ganz genau, Mami. Ganz genau, Mami. Ganz genau, Mami.
Da ist sie.
Ja.
Ja, hoi, hast du nicht gern gehabt, hä? Hast du nicht gern gehabt? At least it's a yummy passion fruit. Looks really good. It's one of the later variety. Yeah, but you need so many, it's crazy. And it's all a mix. It's snake bean, borlotti bean, yellow beans or butter beans they're called, runner beans, what else? I think these are the varieties we're growing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe so you'll stay up to date of what we're doing every day, every week. See ya!